Hey birdies, I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. So I'm here to do another reaction video to Mr. Miyagi himself and Andy Panda. This is the song, hopefully I pronounce it right, YAMAKASI or Yamakasi. Don't know what that means, but so far I am I'm at awe when it comes to Mr. Miyagi. I really do like his style. I could actually listen to his song. I like how it sounds, so which is very good. I already said I will listen to a few of his albums, see which one I like, and I will purchase a physical copy. So let me go. I'll be only listening to the audio version. I will not be playing the music video reaction to it because I don't have no time to get things blocked from YouTube. I have. Come on, cinematography, giving us that teal and orange. Is that zinc fence? Oh my god, zincs. Shut up. I would really like to visit Russia. It's so funny that this is the mountain scene right now, and that's where I'll be going, the mountain.
Гори ясно, в приподнятом их кто повлияет на мой настрой. Я недаром недоволен своим Батменом опасно. Я скурил эту агонию и выплюнул компас этот, который наебал и велел забить на все благое.
Oh, he's actually driving.
За мой родной кузница героев. И пусть сгорает все плохое, как горело трое. Ведь это мой Детройт, ты моя паранойя. Непомерная моя чистая сторона справедливо принимала гости. Улыбалась тем, кто был близок по духу нам, прогоняла смрад и нелепости. Красота этого города горела неистово, обжигала сводками новостей. Бога, я молю за тебя, родина близкого, с тобой одной до конца could be.
Oh, this is a beautiful shot. That's a good shot. So is this one. That's a good shot. Wow. That is beautiful shot. Okay, so whoever edited this music video or directed this music video, I think their whole idea was to do like an action-packed film esque aesthetic to this music video, because this was given to me. I need to see who directed this video. Giving us, okay, they're giving us story, okay. Come on, Andy.
Дай им силы, пусть невзгоды так жестует ветром. И так, что-то не так. Я же хотел как лучше. Факт, мрак, или попал в просак, или и так и сяк. На первый взгляд тут и рай, и ад. Клик-клак, пока маячит брат. В этом аппарате словарный заряд. На мушке каждый, кто полезет в дом. Несуй свой нос, Пиноккио тут встретит с топором. Пятиэтажки помнят Энди. Пятиэтажки на
He got a Laker shirt on.
Пепел перед глазами мама и добрые соседи. Флешбеки, я дорожу этим. Я представляю город братский. Есть свой Бэтмен, но без рассказать. Приезжайте в гости, если любите мечтать.
Okay, who died? This is a beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. I'm gagging. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, those are their guns. That was a beautiful shot. Okay. I need to go see what does that mean. Maybe they're giving up the gang life, giving up their guns, living for peace, not violence. I'm assuming that's what it is. Bury the past of the bad ways, moving forward into the new. I guess that's what I'm assuming when it comes to this. Okay, that was a beautiful video, Mr. Miyagi and the Panda. I really do like that. It was very good. I need to basically do a English translation version to the lyrics of the song to get a full understanding of what the song is and what is entailed within the music video. However, the music, I think this is a very beautiful music video. I love it. I love it. The teal and orange undertone. The teal and orange undertone is what they usually use in movies anyway, especially action movies. All action movies have a teal and undertone coloring in their movies. So it's very, whoever did this video, director, what's the director's name? Igor and Valdemir. Igor and Valdemir. The director is Igor, the co-director is Valdemir. Okay. Good job. I think the video was beautifully edited. Good job. I really do like it. Mr. Miyagi, once again, I'm not disappointed. You might have a fan here, sir. So for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I will get to it as soon as possible. I was rooting you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.